All right, what do you think about this beauty?
It looks like literally out of a horror movie. Like the creepy children's play stuff that hasn't been used in 30 years inside of the like tumbleweeds.
But here's the good thing about this house. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,344 square foot house. I don't know how they fit so many bedrooms and bathrooms in this tiny little house, but they did. Talked to the owner today. He's asking $490. I ran the comps, and some are even as high as like $670.
Oh my
so at $490, if it's not too bad.
It's definitely gonna be bad based on the outside.
Only the finest for you. We're in. Okay. You're gonna love this entry.
I'll stop.
Look. This is screaming mid-century modern.
Very dark.
And we love mid-century modern.
Yeah, the high ceilings are cool, but the rest, not so much.
Look at the size of this kitchen.
It's big because half the kitchen jets out into the family room. And also, did you not notice how dark it is in here?
Not that bad, maybe 9 grand?
9 grand.
10 grand?
Jeff. Jeff.
What's in this creepy room right here? Oh no. It's just aluminum patio cover.
Okay, so this room needs to come down.
Yeah, it's not permanent. I mean,
Ew. I'm sorry, I can't step in that. I have like crop jeans and I'll get really itchy.
just get outside.
No, you.
Just get out. I am
me
outside.
out there, you're stepping in it.
I don't understand. What are these mounds? Like mounds everywhere.
Dead bodies. Needs a lot of work.
I mean, look how much fencing we need. This is at least 10 grand back here. Man, this house is dark. What a tiny little bedroom.
Oh my God. Oh, it smells so bad. What is this?
It's nasty.
It's like some creepy murder room.
So bathroom number 2.
Wait. Ah!
Perfect, we have a guest house.
Look at the ceiling.
I mean, it's a great space, but
Oh, stop.
I mean, it's illegal.
It's really stressing me out.
It's not permitted. We're gonna have to tear it down. We're probably looking at 2-3 grand, tear it down.
Okay, so it's gonna cost a lot.
This could be nice, private bedroom and bathroom for guests.
This box is good news with holes in it and holes in it.
Oh, we have major water damage. Look, you can see it from here. The roof might need to be replaced. Is there a shower in this one or no?
I don't know.
Oh, we have a shower, look.
Oh my
Full
Lord.
shower. This is a huge win. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, garden grove. I'm telling you, this house is gonna sell for a lot of money.
I'm telling you, this house has a million problems. I feel like this house is gonna be a super disaster. Like, there's gonna be a lot of problems here that we're not even, like, aware of.
Well, I mean, it really comes down to Jeff's bid, but it's in Garden Grove, super hot market, and on top of that, we have 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. How much? 50? 60?
You're looking at 105.
$105,000 for 1,300 square feet.
Yep. Big ticket things, you're looking at your roof. I don't know how they did this aluminum roof. You're looking at your AC, you've got a lot of demo.
So you're at $105,000. He wants $490 for the house.
He's asking too much.
Our break even would be like 6 1/4, and the resale's like 650 to 670.
I think we can get a better deal.
I love Garden Grove. I love that it's a 4-bedroom. I say we come in at 440. If we come in at 440, it gives us a spread. If things go right, we get lucky. If things go wrong, we break even.
All right.
All right, I guess I'll let you know.
Let me know, you guys.
Thanks.
This house looks like a bomb shelter. Oh my God.
Wow.
Look at this.
It has a hot mess.
What's up, Jeff?
I mean, you guys have got so many problems. Look how much termite damage there.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The studs literally fell out.
Ew. Nice choice.
Yeah.
I know.
So I've got to do a lot of framing. You guys have got about another $1,000 in that.
Alrighty. So right off the bat, we have a wall going back in here.
Yep.
So from this point forward is kitchen.
Yep.
What, do you think we need an entry door right here?
No.
Okay.
No.
So
Get rid
let's
of that
close
door.
off that door. So this entire space is now kitchen, wraparound cabinets, uppers, lowers, uppers, lowers.
Good thing is, those look pretty new. This is your bug bedroom.
We can't have a shared bathroom. We need to make sure at least one bedroom has their own bathroom. Oh, so all we have to do is put up a new wall and now we have a private bathroom.
Right. You've probably got 400-ish in the drywall work. Not only do we have these issues in here, we also have all these issues back here.
Well, the illegal patio cover's gone. You can actually see the yard now.
Oh my God, look how awful this looks.
Oh
It's
my
like
God.
everything's wrong.
Oh my
down
gosh,
here on
look
the
at
end of the
this.
house.
Look at this. Look at the roof line. The whole thing.
How much is all this gonna cost?
Fascia, tails, you're looking $2,500. And what I'm worried about is this. I've got gas lines that potentially run under concrete. We're gonna have to locate where the tie-in is, cap it off. If this runs under the concrete, that means I gotta break it up.
Oh, don't do it. Don't say it. Are you serious?
Like literally every inch of this house, there's something wrong.
we got some bad news. Remember that tin roof we had?
Yeah?
There was nothing underneath. No sheeting, no plywood, nothing. Like you take the tin roof off and you're looking in the house. So now, we have to put plywood on the entire house.
This looks really expensive.
Hey, Tim, can you come here real quick?
Yeah.
I know we had to do a new roof on the house.
Yeah.
But how much extra was all this?
We're looking at about $5,000.
An extra $5,000?
Extra.
Extra $5,000.
Extra 5,000.
This house is costing a fortune. Look, we have lights.
All right, was it gonna light up the whole room?
Well, it's better than nothing.
I'm worried about the kitchen. Oh my God. Look how dark this is.
I can't even see you over there. You just blend in. Would you consider putting the window back in? Like if we put it on the market and we don't get offers?
I mean, if it was like a worst case scenario, yeah, we'd probably have to. We gotta come up with the list price for the Garden Grove house, and you are not gonna believe how much money we spent.
What?
We paid $450,000 for the house. Originally, when we walked it, we thought the rehab was gonna be $105,000.
Which is a lot.
Which is
Yeah.
a lot. We ended up spending $133,000.
133? Okay.
So after commission and closing costs, our break even is gonna be $616,000.
A lot for the neighborhood now.
So-
What are the comps?
One just sold, 3-bedroom, 2-bath for $702,000.
It's crazy.
It is crazy. So, I mean, if that one sold for $702, it's missing a bedroom, it's missing a bathroom, I think we come in at $728.
Seems fair. Who would have thought that that crazy, weird hoarder house will potentially make $100,000?
Yeah, 6-figure profit.
Look at this cute house.
It is cute.
It's so much better. Remember before I had like all that like really old like playground equipment? It looked like a tumbleweed had attacked
No,
it.
it's like a haunted house, yeah.
Now it looks cute.
What do you think about the color?
I like it. It's got a lot of character. It definitely pops. I love that front door.
Oh, the yellow. It's a nice looking house now.
Oh, it looks so nice. Has a nice mid-century vibe. I like the layout, and there's light.
There is light. The first time we walked in here, it just screamed dark and creepy. At least we have natural light now.
Right, and before they had that like big wall kind of coming out here with the cabinets and everything. Looks so much better open.
Okay, is it too dark in there? Let's see it.
The design looks amazing. I absolutely love the backsplash. I love the cabinet color. I love the countertops.
It's not too dark, right? This is good.
With the lights on, it works.
Should we turn the lights off?
Let's try.
Oh no.
Never turn the lights off, ever.
It's a big yard. Look
It really
at that.
is.
So this is where that addition used to be, right?
Right.
The patio actually came out pretty nice.
Yeah, we just resurfaced it. It looks great. Right, nice bright white walls.
You know, I like that it's all white, actually. It makes the house feel bigger. It's the main bedroom.
This is a nice sized bedroom.
The question is, how did our bathroom come out? Came out nice. Look at this. That's a good compromise.
Yes, that totally works.
Yeah, that's nice, right?
Yeah, it's really cool. I like it. I love the design, I love the penny rounds. I love that we've never done it before and that it ties in with the kitchen.
Yeah, well, there's no other houses in the neighborhood that have custom designed tile.
These aren't the biggest bedrooms, but
They're bedrooms.
they're a bedroom.
Man, this room was a disaster before.
Right, it works, has a nice view of the backyard. I love the flooring too, by the way.
And then we have the office set up back here.
It's nice. We still have a closet, so it is a technical bedroom.
The bathrooms are nice.
I actually like it like this. I like that it's different. I like that they're, you know, not all of them are exactly the same.
Yeah, no, the house is great. I mean, overall, it's a cute house.
The design is super unique. It's really original.
I think there's a ton of value at this house.
Hopefully the dark kitchen doesn't distract buyers, and we'll see what happens.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna find out soon. Christina had some doubts about this house, but on the bright side, we received 11 offers and sold the house to a cash buyer for $780,000.